What's up, Spore Finance holders? I have two good news is for all Spore Finance holder, my friend. This time the price is dumps down, but don't worry, my friend. I have a very good news for all of you, my friend. You can see the Spore Finance is urgently dumps down, but after that they will suddenly wake up and get a profit. 5.98% Spore Finance will get a my friend pumps very good pump, my friend. You can see here, and suddenly they will take a jump. As you can see here live, they will pump up. So many congratulations from 24 hour. They will get a very good profit. All right, guys. So please, before I get started this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, Spore Finance price will be increasing, my friend, at the start of month. I'm 100% sure to on the 1st November they will completely starting moving upward. In this time they will also take a very huge jump, but especially short time investors are starting selling, so there is also chances to they will dumps down. But after the 1st November, 100% I will give you guarantee to they will starting moving upward. And the 5th November, experts predicate this coin. I also predicate this coin after my technical analysis, after my prediction, and also experts prediction. I found this, my friend. True, the price will be increasing, my friend, in the 5th November. As they will starting on the 1st November moving upward, but after the 5th November, they will do something new, my friend, and they will completely suddenly starting moving upward and take a very huge jump. So therefore, I will notify you, my viewer, my subscriber, to please before 5th November, you will need to buy it, and my friends, absolutely hold it. I hope, my friends, the price is very urgently moving upward, so therefore you will need, my friends, to buy it before 5th November. Today you will get a very good profit. If we check out, my friends, the chart result, we will better understand, my friends. So therefore I am going to show you the chart result in last 24 hours. You can see, my friend, they will suddenly take a jump from resistance line. You can see here the black resistance, black dot line is resistance line, my friend, as you can see here, and they will moving upward. So absolutely they will green line. You can see the green line is in the profit, the red line is lost. So they will lose down, happen in the previous days because short term investors starting selling. So don't worry, if they were temporary, they will temporarily dumps down. So this does not mean to you are starting selling. My holders, my viewers, my subscriber, I will notify you to please hold down this time. You can see here the price will completely moving upwards. 6.81% the price is increased. So therefore many congratulations, my brothers. Spore Finance price is increasing, and definitely when a holder are starting buying, then the price is increasing. So therefore I will notify my all viewer, my subscriber, to please, if you want to sell it. So my friend, just in only there is through 2 or 3 days, my friend, remaining in this month. Just in only, my friend, sell it. But before 1st November you will also need to buy it again now, because the price will starting moving upward. So when a price will starting moving upward, you will need, my friends, to urgently buy it. So thanks for watching. Spore Finance holders, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope in upcoming time the Spore Finance will more increasing. Allah Hafiz, take care, subscribe channel.